nsuo ketewa bi free ho but nam say hey cameraman fabra. Finally ye do nsuo no because nsuo ni bi na asane ama ha de no asha say ebugu no. And I was very happy because now I thought say ye dwe hey say ni ye ndru yo still na ni ye fu ni ye san so ye koya akaka krabi ama ya kwakodu nsuo ni ho dem hu ya no say lady be in the midst of some guys be omo so ye dey free nsuo ni ho eba when I'm say hey abusuanfo na mu dwure ye hye ane also came to have this beautiful experience ni be into say you know mo na mo free ho ba mo nka mu nsam ntwe me at the same when no mo so be hu nam kaka se hwe ye wo first journey second journey third journey say to aso sa akọ ntimi no o pese wo hu so na nkasa etia gisa wo fokotop papa mo say hey mewu yeah, because I was already tired. So how was I going to, climb all these mountains and some in final destination? When I'm saying, where are you guys from? Are you from Ashanti region? Are you from a different region? I'm also mobile here. So and I'm also baby and your mama said they are students from Bossy and UST, and it's also by said we know on Papa have a very beautiful view. A one young commerce waterfall. And I'm so okay. And the moon brand new moon come cry. A hand will be so back up from some brand new cup of way.
My experience was a very wonderful experience. Like as you can see, I've gone through all the different levels.
Okay.
I've gone through the first level, the second level, the third level.
Wow.
And finally the fourth level. Which was a little bit stressful back then. It's a stressful journey, but a successful one.
Exactly.
Yeah. Exactly. So yeah, it's a very wonderful experience.
Yeah.
And anyone that comes around will really enjoy the environment.
Yeah.
It's very cool, green,
Everything
as you can see. Yeah. So
what's your name?
I'm Fatima too.
And where are you from?
I'm from Accra, but I'm currently at Obuasi, studying at KNUS Obuasi campus.
Oh, okay. So you just came to have a view over here?
Yeah, we are done with our exams, so
okay.
Just taking a very chill pill.
I understand. That's a very cool vacation.
Yeah.
All right. I was afraid. Remember you do and I'll be kind here. We've been so back again. I'm say bra and you say I'm crying for so room.
Oh, when I can see first year
you say the best lab in Accra.
Ni what hagbe ona you work actually in there one time over enjoy one time over enjoying scene where few okay when you mean you baby any wo lolly keje tutuka
okay
you over isi here that's what we are saying over the touch nyakumesu ni wana yes over the call issue over na to guy there egbe na ni ko bi la question town over be ke over ba ko ba bi ene hu bi ene hiwa enjoy but you wanna hear we we enjoy we ene we can actually was who no could be one your body never be never enjoy. Jamie campus when you G school boy. You walk your school so one of the campus who can die. That kind
of thank you. Where you are Obi so beka and one am me do for brawase because every phone you jinemu.
Man bonam ready.
Okay.
The father young pon totally.
All right.
Never to the world, GG's.
We are from Prince TV. What's your name?
My name is Raman from the Volta region.
Your name again?
Raman.
Raman. Oh, okay. Hey, I like the way you mentioned the Raman. Okay, so Raman from Volta region. Yes. So all the way from Volta region?
Yeah, but I'm studying. I'm an engineering student
at KNUS.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you came with your fellow students?
Yeah.
The first people are here. Yeah. Oh, yes. You can see them. So he's also from Volta region. Okay, so you also came to have a special view of God's nature.
Oh, the place is actually a nice place.
Okay.
I think nature is really fun.
Okay.
Yeah, we actually enjoy ourselves.
Okay.
You have not come out before, right? This is our first time out.
Oh, okay. First time visiting here.
Yeah, after exams, really stressed before we go to our various homes.
Okay.
It's actually a nice place.
All right, Roman. Thank you very much for your experience. Share that. We are much honored to speak with you. Office just a visit to Becca house and in me ma kwan mo bia can ya chiro na adwene na afin so mo invite amanfo from all walks of life say amoso betimi abanya komas waterfall no ma be have a beautiful experience and yes so yetimi akọ have no
esa wuna nan ganyan kuma su waterfall okay ni kana koyi na kana so ka zo ka ce mu ka enjoy environment ka ganyan kuma su waterfall ka zo ka enjoy environment ana to ka enjoy the environment na di
pacho ya frame na
napoku ya be hia wo nyankumesu waterfall nyankumesu
pacho dabi
okay nti wo free na ba ha
kumase na mfi ba
wo free kumase kezai oh anyway ye dey asante aka dey hu sa esi kumase fasa na o
me wo so kwada side
kwada so oh okay se kwada so ebu akwara se keka ko ye yo yesu epi kumase na ba nti ne ye hia asante fo hia esi share experience awa ha try o ba ha to say
nyankuma so waterfall hai kama eskum ya jinyina yese ba se
no cre
ya jinyina yese ya ba se ne
se mu be yi nyama ni bitugu sa enye be hwe ba de nsa no adwuma ni bi
ba de nsa no adwuma fe pa nsa no adwuma fe
okay nti sa bi obi su o baabi on say nyankuma su kroi ye she dan tin di sa and obi kwampo ni se waterfall bi mpo se ha and also yet one of the tourist attractions in Ghana it will be shared across the country outside the country. That's not a catch running. So what baby had the dream who be here with this stress on quiet.
Nyankuma so
I didn't see a baby sound. Watch on the camera you
I say come on.
Okay.
I say environment na serene.
Okay.
But imagine when you be come on. Oh by quite now na so background like in chan cry.
Oh you cool. And you be more. Now we fro now we sane.
Oh ni na sa.
Me remember me boy over sa.
Oh,
my people who February and the other day.
Was me pone o ha say ni say. O say me February kwani so boase e bepo.
Sure.
Said that was
you said also when you say ebo, nti e ebo abo na wo.
Oh, e bi ni. Ti mo ba me hwe mani so ade.
That's it.
I say e come up.
Yes. I was saying for say how say e come ade am doctor. What are you waiting for? Because kasa what you are there? And try to what bra. Dan ye nso e wade pa ne e wade nso a wo ye. Nyankumesu waterfall. Aha. And ye kan for jama ho. O de hwe ni so ade. Who said your body and some adwuma nso esi bugu say wa
enti hanum se na chese de eguso aye froko after say me no mu wie ye no na chese me ma obi aba na me de meko enti ye ko froko kakra na se nana obetima me ato aso de because wa kwa afede wo se wa bre na say don't worry o pese wo konso na ti ko ho a menso medi wanim de wa ko am say nana wo bu odododo I love your vein